You can wet a towel, put it in the microwave, wrap it around your hair to give your hair some heat. You can put on a plastic cap, put on a hat so that your body produces. Hey guys, Karen from Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and I'm a trichologist. And I'm going to tell you what I think is the missing element from our natural girls' hairstyling routine. So what do you think that is? Deep conditioning. Deep conditioning. I do not think we deep condition enough. We don't. I recommend that you deep condition once a week. Yes, I said once a week. Now, once a week is a lot for some, but I want you to get in the habit of deep conditioning more frequently. So when I say deep condition, I mean wash your hair, put in a deep conditioner, or it may be a conditioning mask or a deep conditioning treatment. Normally deep conditioners may have it on the label, it may not. Or typically you can determine a deep conditioner. A lot of them are really thick in consistency like this because they are packed full of humectants, oils, butters, other emollients that really help to hydrate your hair, but it's in more concentrated forms. So that is why it is important when you deep condition that you sit under a hooded dryer with the plastic cap, or you can steam as opposed to deep conditioner. Deep conditioning and steam treatments are like sisters. Deep conditioning with a bonnet and a plastic cap rather, and a dryer is dry heat, whereas a steamer is moist heat. So if you really think about the difference between the two, moist heat probably is better for your hair than a hooded dryer, but a hooded dryer is fine. So if you don't have a steamer, fine, use a plastic cap and a hooded dryer. But when you do it, that helps the conditioner to better penetrate the hair shaft. So the conditioner gets on the inside of the hair shaft. That is what you want to deep condition your hair. When you start doing this consistently, ladies, you will notice your hair will feel fabulous. It is going to feel super hydrated even before you put your styling product in it. So you want your hair to feel great before adding that styling product, because styling products a lot of times are designed to style your hair, but it's important that the hair underneath the styling product is healthy and is properly moisturized, and you can achieve this through deep conditioning. So I encourage you to give it a try. Get in the habit of deep conditioning more and more frequently. So again, if you wash your hair once a week, do it for 15 minutes every week. Even if you don't have a hooded dryer, that's okay. Hey, we can improvise. You can stand in a hot shower and do a steam treatment with moisturizer in your hair, and with a conditioner in your hair, excuse me. That's an option. You can wet a towel, put it in the microwave, wrap it around your hair to give your hair some heat. You can put on a plastic cap, put on a hat so that your body produces heat. So you can get creative if you need to get creative. But if you want healthier, more moisturized, hydrated hair, then get in the habit of deep conditioning. This will also help you to retain growth, because when your hair is not properly moisturized, it's even more susceptible to breaking. So if you get in the habit of deep conditioning, your hair is going to be much more moisturized and less susceptible to breaking. So I hope this tip helps you on your healthy hair, natural hair journey. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.